Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Android microphone not working on calls. Fixing the microphone for calls on your mobile device is easy by simply adjusting some software settings. And here are the effective steps to fix Android microphone not working during calls. First, restart your phone. Clears temporary glitches affecting the mic. Check microphone hole. Clean it gently using a soft brush or compressed air. Remove phone case or screen protector. Some cases block the microphone. Test the microphone. Open the voice recorder and record the audio to confirm if the mic works. Check app permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, All Apps, Phone, Permissions, and make sure the microphone is on the Allowed section. Check permissions for calling apps such as WhatsApp, Messenger, Viber, etc. Turn off Bluetooth. Calls may be routing audio to a Bluetooth device. Update your phone software via Settings again, Software Update, and install the available updates. Clear phone app cache. Go to Settings again, Apps, All Apps, Phone, Storage, and tap the Clear Cache. Check if a third-party app is causing the issue. Factory reset. Back up the data first, then go to Settings, System, Reset, Factory Data Reset, or Erase all data, and confirm. If the mic still doesn't work, it's likely hardware damage. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.